How to get $160 Temu promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you will find the search box. Type in Temu promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you working promo codes for Temu. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Los Angeles. After you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. You can just scroll down and check. Over here you will find this section for coupons only. You can go ahead and click on it. Now in this page, you're going to find only coupons. Scroll and check, 10% coupon code, 30% coupon code, and many more. You just have to go ahead and click on the offer that you are interested in. Just click on the option of view coupon. So here's the coupon code. Now you can copy it. You can head towards the website of Temu, make your purchase, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of visit Temu. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Temu. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you will find the section for promo code. Over there, paste the code, and with that, you will get certain amount as a discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Also, make sure you go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Temu. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.